Welcome back, guys, to my channel. Of course, I have a new strategy for you that you guys can use in your free time. So let's head into the setup for the day and get to it. Okay, so start the setup. We're going to go with M1 for time. Going to choose a few currency pairs that you can see here. You can see these that I'm choosing. Going to change the candles to S15. Going to choose our indicators, Dawn Chain and MACD. We're going to change also the settings for Dawn Chain. Okay, I'm now doing the style. You can see, just follow the colors that I'm using, just colors. You then change the MACD. Those are the settings. The style, we're going to go with green, red, white, and aqua. Yeah, so that's the setup for the day. Okay, let's start the first trade of the day. We're going to go with $150 and down. Yeah, so you can see how the market is going, the market trend at the moment. It may not look like it's in our favor at the moment, but things are going to turn. As you can see, at the moment it's above the starting point, a point at which we place the trade. So at the moment we may look like we have a problem, but that's trading for you. Things change. So we only have like 20 seconds left. I'm sure toward the end, as you can see now, the market is going down in our favor and working with the decision that we decided to make at the start. So we only have 10 seconds left until we can see whether our judgment was right or wrong. But I'm very confident that everything will be okay. So there we go, $288, and let's keep moving. Okay, let's do another trade. As you can see, I've zoomed out so you can see we're going to use $220. We're going up. You can see just briefly how the market is going. So I analyzed the market, and I think there's going to be an upward motion. There'll be a bit of resistance, but I'm not seeing this one going the way the previous one went, where it was kind of hard to see how things are going to go. But I think this one is pretty much showing obvious signs that we are going to win. So yeah, I trust my analysis. I trust everything is going to be good. So all we have to do is wait and see how it turns out. Now it's messing with me a bit because it's below the line. Not what I expected, but yeah, now we are above the line. So we have 10 seconds to worry a little until we get the money that we deserve, and we keep moving. Okay, 2, 1, there we go, for $22.40. Let's keep moving. Okay, so let's move on to another trade. We're going $300 and down. Yeah, as you can see, the market is zoomed down. You can see how the market is moving. I think the market is on its flow going down. As you can see, the indicators, the MACD is also indicating the same thing. So I guess we gotta go with what the indicators are saying, what we have analyzed, and how the market is also telling us that it's moving. So yeah, it seems like a safe decision what we went with, and I think it's only time that really separates us from our profit. And we keep moving as usual. We keep the boat moving, keep the boat rolling, and everything's gonna be good. So now we only have 5 seconds until success. 3, 2, 1. There you go. 7576. As usual, we keep moving. Okay, guys. We're going to go with $50 and up. I think now the point we're at, you can see my indicators are clearly showing me that it's going to show an upward movement. We go with indicators, we go with what they're telling us, we roll with the flow. Indicators basically tell us what's happening. and what's happening is that the market's going up and we have to go up with it. Or you can go down and risk getting a loss, but we're going up because that's exactly what we need to do to get the profit. So everything is good at the moment. We only have 10 seconds for the market to turn on us or be on our side. At the moment, we are looking good, I can say. We have 5 seconds and move on to better things. So 2, 1, there you go. $1,056. We keep moving, guys. As per procedure, we're going to continue. We're going to $1,100 and down. Assume that you can see how the market is moving, guys. For the final trade, this is a big trade as usual. As per procedure, I want you guys to see how the market is moving and how I can come to a decision, to placing on, such a big amount of money. For others, they've never made this out of trading, so it's a big amount. So yeah, this just basically there you can see, compare with your analysis on the level that you are at to see maybe if you can make a similar decision on your own, just basically from what you've learned from me. Yeah, so I think things are going well. We have around about 10 seconds, and I think there's pretty much not enough time for the market to go back up to certain point, so we can say we won our standard procedure. There we go, $2,112. I ain't stressing, everything's good as per procedure. That was a good trading session. It's good to get my hands on a few trades in the market. Made a good amount of profit. So of course, if you like the video, put a thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe. So I'm going to see you later in the next video, guys.